SIG is a leading systems and solution provider for aseptic packaging. We work in partnership with our customers to deliver food and beverages to consumers across the world in a safe, sustainable and affordable way.
Before, we worked with many telephone support, and we supported our customers also having online access to the machines. But we experienced that to get the expert knowledge to our customers when it's needed, that could be improved a lot.
Companies like SIG have the problem to sending the most skilled person to the right point of service, because the person is not always on site, they are globally in action. Today with our solution you can close the skill gaps and you can send the know-how of an expert in real time over smart glasses to the point of service.
The solution works that we deliver to our customers a set of smart glasses, and if the customer doesn't know what's happening with the machine or has an issue, he can directly connect to an SIG service expert and then get help. If one expert cannot help, there might be another expert that could also join that call, and jointly they will solve the customer's problem. We have proven by using the system that we can really improve the first-time fix rate of our customers. So it's about less waiting time for support, getting more insights and analysis of the machines, and finally more filling line uptime. We chose the Epson Moverio solution because it has the most balanced features for us. It gives a very good combination of lightweight design. Also, people with normal optical glasses can wear such smart glasses.
We offer a range of on-demand digital services to enable our customers to reach next level of efficiency and productivity. And by this, smart glasses is one of the tools we are using to get them.